Donald Trump just bought more of this particular altcoin, and we're gonna open up his portfolio and look at every crypto that he holds. And I just checked his most recent purchase, and I guarantee you've heard of this coin. And we're gonna do a price analysis to see where it might be heading in 2025. And Donald Trump is making all these purchases through World Liberty Fi. This is his DeFi company that him and his sons run. And this crypto portfolio is now worth almost $75 million. And in fact, at one point was over 80 million before the recent downturn. Now here is his list of tokens: ETH, Wrap Bitcoin, Stablecoin, DeFi protocol Aave, Chainlink, a crypto oracle, another stablecoin, another DeFi project, Athena, and then Ondo being his most recent purchase. Everything you see below Ondo is just going to be things that people are depositing into his account. I was actually having fun looking at this list earlier, and then you can see right above my head, someone gave him 620,000 Pepe tokens. I was like, is that actually going to still be on there? What do they do with these tokens? I think it was around $11 worth, and you can see it right there, the 620,000 Pepe. Tell you what, it's going to be interesting just watching all the meme coins in his portfolio that people are just sending to him freely. What if those end up becoming worth $1 million? Will he sell? But back to Trump's angle. Now, before I reveal what the most recent altcoin that he just purchased, if I were to buy one and, not based off what he just bought most recently, I think I like Ondo at this level. Ondo's now fallen to around $1.60. We'll go ahead and hit refresh here. Ondo, not that long ago, was $2. When we look on the 1 month chart there, you can see it was above $2. It was $2.11. And it likes to wick down and find support at this $1.50 level. Found support there, and in the most recent downturn, found support there. So while we might be 10, 13 cents away from $1.50, I think $1.50 is pretty strong support. I don't hate getting my Ondo at $1.63. But back to Trump's most recent purchase. Now, this most recent purchase, World Liberty Fi, bought Ethereum here. Now, this article breaks it down here. Trump's World Liberty bought 759 additional Ethereum amid the price dip. Now, again, World Liberty, the crypto project backed by Donald Trump and his sons, bought the dip with another $2.5 million spent. They end up swapping out the $2.5 million from the stablecoin USDC to purchase this Ethereum. Now, during that dip, his wallet took a little bit of a slump there. According to the smart money account Look On Chain, Trump's family project total loss amid the crash reached $6 million at one point. So at one point, he was down $6 million, and his ETH holding was the biggest loss with almost $5 million in losses. And I find it interesting that as ETH was the biggest loser in his portfolio, I don't know if it was Donald Trump, I don't know if it was Eric Trump, I don't know if it was Don Jr., but somebody decided, all right, we are down, let's go ahead and accumulate more. And if you're a value investor and you like to buy things on a discount, as I tell you, it's really not that much of a stretch of imagination to think of a Trump family member saying, we're going to buy the dip. And buy the dip indeed is what they did there. The easiest way for you to get wrecked in crypto is to lose all your funds. Whether it's an exchange going down, an exploit, or just a hack, make sure you protect your crypto with Arculus Cold Storage. We love it here at the channel. And if you use code DC20, you can save yourself 20%. Protect yourself out there. Because just last year alone, hackers stole almost $2 billion from users out there. Do not let it be you. Protect your funds. And not only can you protect, you can buy, swap, send, and receive crypto with a single tap and hold. Go get yourself an Arculus now. But let's go into the price analysis. I know you folks want to see the price analysis here, and we're going to have two different charts that we're going to look at. The first one we're going to look at is the Ethereum and USD price, and then we're going to look at Ethereum BTC. Now, Ethereum USD, I happen to notice something. It is falling to what they call a point of control. Now, point of control just refers to the price level at which the highest volume of trading activity occurred during a specific period. And it really signifies the price at which most market participants are willing to buy or sell. Now, let's go back to this ETH USD and point at this little point of control that I'm kind of pointing out here. So we're going to go ahead and draw a horizontal line on this red dotted line, which is the price where we're at literally this second. Now, I happen to notice very, very important price area for Ethereum. Now, I'm just going to kind of draw out some of the levels here. You can see it was a point of control there, acted as support right there, acted as resistance right there, support. And then when we go back to the previous cycle, this is going back all the way to 2021 and 2022, we see more of the same. And so this is a very, very important level for Ethereum. I mean, just look how much resistance it was given back in August 2021. Now let's go back to where we're at today. Now, I happen to think, obviously Ethereum could fall further. $3,000 is a strong psychological level. You can see how strong it was for support during this period right here. You can also see how it was strong for support in this period and these periods. And so there is a world where Ethereum could fall another 10%. It could fall an additional $300 and then find this $3,000 area for support. But I happen to think Ethereum might already start reversing, folks. Now, when we go to the 4 hour, I'm starting to see a little bit more strength. And then this is really where I start to find my thesis. Now, we did a video on this and I highly recommend you go check it out. It's the best time to sell Ethereum video and how to walk away as a millionaire. And I pointed out in my research that December of a halving year and a presidential election year, which is 2016, 2020, and 2024, every single time has marked a bottom for Ethereum priced in Bitcoin. And the number you're seeing above my head is the percentage of one Bitcoin that one Ethereum holds. Right now, one Ether is around 3.5%, and it found a bottom here where it hit about 2.5%, and it found a bottom there where it hit about 1%. And if we use history as any type of guide, even quick back of the napkin math with diminishing returns, still looks like it's going to be a good time to buy Ethereum. It's around a 1,500% pump. And then we have another one that ended up being around a 278% pump. We round up and say around almost a 300% pump. And so this one might only be 1 or 200% pump. That's still going to let Ethereum gain against Bitcoin in a nice way. And if we hit this previous all-time high of the previous cycle, it's going to be about 140% pump. And so when you're looking at Ethereum priced in Bitcoin, looks like it wants to reverse. And when you're looking at Ethereum priced in USD, seems like it's at a very strong level of support. And so I would not be selling any Ethereum right now. In fact, I do think Ethereum will be flirting with $4,000 sometime within the next 30 days. I'm expecting a correction here. And when we look at December 20 for Ethereum price in Bitcoin, that's when Ethereum started to go on a run. And when we look at December 20 for Ethereum priced in USD, that was the last moment you could really get some cheap Ethereum, folks. So I do predict we have an alt season right around the corner. I wouldn't be selling my Ethereum now. I love buying Ethereum at these levels. I love buying Ondo at these levels. And so hopefully I'll see you and your Trump tokens at the top.